Hi, welcome to my Project 3 showcase. I'm just going to go ahead and get started here. So my program is a solar system. There's a couple different things you can do here. As you can see, the planets are all laid out as they were on April 8th, 2014. And if we want to go ahead and start it, we can just hit the start button. And this is running at one frame, or 24 frames per second. One frame is equal to a day. And if you want to speed it up, the speed bar is down here. So I can set it to go really fast. And this is about 6,000 frames per second. And then I can slow it down. You can see it's still moving, but just really slowly. And if you wanted to put it back to where it was, you hit set to real time. And again, this is one frame is a day, 24 frames per second. You can also show and hide planets. So let's say I want to hide Saturn. There it goes. See it. This is Saturn right here. It's going away, coming back, going away, coming back. Same with the Sun. And all the planets work like that. Neptune, Uranus, Saturn. Yeah, you get the gist. We can also create planets. So let's say I want to create a planet. Awesome planet. Let's go to radius. Let's go to big radius. Something like, and these are all in astronomical units. Everything here is in astronomical units. So the radius, we're going to go with a radius about the size of Jupiter. It's a little bigger, 5 times 10 to the negative 4 here. And then we're also going to give it a perihelion. So the perihelion is the farthest from the sun, farthest rays from the sun. So give it a perihelion of, let's say, like 40. And give it an aphelion, so this is the closest it is to the sun. Give it 1, so really wacky orbit here. And a period, this is in days, so maybe 200 days. And you can give it a starting angle, but we'll just go with 0. Any angle between, well, any angle all pretty much works here. So I'm going to go ahead and add planet. You can see there it is right here. So like I said, it's kind of a wacky orbit. We can move it around a little bit here and take a look at it from different angles. Okay, so that's that feature. I can also set the date to a specific time. So let's say I want to say, well, let's say I want to find out what it's going to be on April 1st, 2015. So we're going to go ahead and say 4/1/2015. I'm going to stop it. Hit go to date. That's what the plants are going to look like at the time. It just keeps going every second. I can also send off a rocket from Earth. And just so you know, this is a little sketchy because in order to make it appear in real time, I had to really dumb down the equations a little bit, and it's a little inaccurate just because of the fact that it has a step size of 1 day, so we're missing quite a bit of data in between, and also the double integral that happens when you have to calculate the forces to determine the distance kind of messes with things. So, but we can go ahead and shoot it off, and you'll see it slows down a little bit because it's thinking. And let's try and get another one here. There it is. You see the rocket there. It's moving around the planets. And then it gets slung around that planet and thrown out over here a little bit. You can go ahead and shoot another rocket off. There it is. Bam. It's thrown in empty space. There's no planets over there. Let's try and send another one. You can see it gets caught and then swung around, and then it's about to get shot off. Bam. There it goes. So there you go. There's my Project 3. Just a couple different features here. And yeah, also if you disappear these, then they don't interact with with rockets, so you can kind of model different scenarios if you like. Say it's a different type of solar system, something like that. All right, well, thank you very much.